now that the teacher's gone.
Mrs. Johnson, Mrs. Johnson.
Oh, yes, yes, Chelsea.
Filbert is still eating chips and they're so filthy. You can't let me sit next to him. Please let me sit next to you.
Would you like to sit in this chair?
Yes, please. Thank
Okay.
you. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes, of course. You can play your iPad.
Thank you.
Of course.
Filbert is my least favorite person ever.
Can I have that, please?
Okay.
Thank you. You know what? I'm going to give you a learning game.
Ooh, learning game.
This is very much a learning game.
Awesome.
You're going to be very smart.
Very. Unlike Filbert and his greasy hands.
I know.
This is awesome.
I know you're going to learn so much. Kids, don't be jealous of Chelsea.
Just because I'm better than all of you scums.
Chelsea is very special, and you are not. Especially Filbert. He's the opposite of special. He is trash.
That's why you aren't invited to my birthday party.
Ooh, am I invited?
Sure.
Thank you. Have a lollipop.
I do. Filbert, you don't deserve a lollipop. This game is so rigged. I'm so perfect and I'm not winning.
Would you like this? Cotton candy that Filbert snuck?
Ew, he touched it.
But I cleaned it.
No, thanks.
Oh, okay.
Nothing that has been in the vicinity of Filbert is good.
Would you like this?
Should I have it, Dolly? She said no. Sorry.
Okay. What is your doll's name?
I don't know, Dolly. I don't give my dolls a name. They don't deserve one.
Oh, okay. That's normal.
Do you math with them? I'm busy.
Oh, okay. Okay, kids, we're going to keep working on math while Chelsea plays her learning games. Okay, so. Sorry, Chelsea. May I grab that?
Do it again and Mommy will hear about this.
Oh, I'm sorry, Chelsea. Okay. Okay. Kids. Oh, time for recess, kids.
No, keep them inside.
Fine, Chelsea. Okay, kids, you're not going to recess because Chelsea decided she's the best kid. Okay, kids, we're going to be learning about pi today. See this? Here, everyone, take a paper. There's stats.
Memorize the first 100 digits.
Memorize it. While I sit here and write grades. Oh, sorry.
You've forgotten who I am. I don't hear learning going on, I hear whispering. Mrs. Johnson, do something about this.
Filbert, you better be working. No more whispering, more working. Good, you're working. And if you whisper, then you're going to detention.
You're memorizing it wrong, Filbert. Small brain of yours.
Filbert is such a bad kid. He always does detention.
Deserves it too.
Oh, well, the time looks like it's almost time for these kids to go. Well,
You are allowed to leave if you remember the first 100 digits of pi.
yeah, what she said.
I'm allowed to go though. This is so rigged. I bet you Filbert messes up for me.
I bet he did.
Filbert, you get detention. Right, Mrs. Johnson?
Yep, detention, Filbert. And leave the classroom. See you later. I haven't even kept you memorize those dumb facts. Just leave. Bye.
Leave to detention, not home.
Yes, exactly what she said. Leave. Good, all the kids are gone. You're such a great teacher, Chelsea.
I know. Can I take this home?
Sure.
Okay, good, because otherwise Mommy would have heard about it. What are you doing back here, Philbert?
Silver, what are you doing? What is your excuse? Huh?
I don't care that you left your stuff here.
Just leave, Filbert. I'm taking your stuff. I'm confiscating it. Leave.
Shoot.
Good, he's gone. Well, we can leave. We're done.
Okay, bye. I'm taking this home.
Okay. Bye, Chelsea.
Bye.